Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable app notifications on Android. Take control. Android's notification system is easily one of its most powerful features, but with great power comes great responsibility, and some apps choose to abuse this. If you're sick of constant notifications from specific apps, here's how to completely disable them. To turn off notifications for an individual Android app, first tap on Settings or swipe down once or twice and tap the gear icon to open Android settings. Then choose an app from the list. Now, select Notifications. From here, you can turn off notifications completely. You can also scroll down or select notifications categories and turn off specific types of notifications. You don't have to completely block all notifications from an app, which is very handy. Maybe there are just certain types of notifications that are annoying. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.